You ever lock eyes with a McLaren speeding past and think, that's it, that's the life? The precision, the design, the power. What if you didn't just admire it? What if you engineered it? This isn't a fantasy. This is a blueprint. Welcome to No Brainer Biz, the place where you come to learn about luxury careers. Stick around until the end to learn about a luxury career path. Today, we're diving into the real career behind one of the world's most elite automotive brands, McLaren.
And how to get hired as a manufacturing engineer, paint.
Why most stay stuck. Let's get real. Most people are trapped in factory jobs with no vision. Punching clocks, repeating steps, chasing jobs that don't challenge them. When something elite comes along, they hesitate. They scroll. They assume it's for someone else, but it's not. It's for the one who moves first. Inside the role as a manufacturing engineer, paint, you're not adding color. You're engineering the first impression of a multi-million-dollar hypercar. Your role is to develop world-class paint processes for next-gen models, optimize quality, precision, and performance from design to delivery, collaborate with design, logistics, and engineering teams, manage supplier relationships to ensure top-tier materials and execution, lead production-level changes that deliver real-time impact. Every paint line, every shine, every curve, that's your blueprint brought to life. The UK lifestyle, Woking, and London Energy, your headquarters? The McLaren Technology Centre in Woking, England, a futuristic glass-walled cathedral of innovation. Woking is fast, focused, and efficient, just like the cars you'll help build. And only 30 minutes away, you've got London, where fashion, finance, nightlife, and culture collide. You'll spend your days solving engineering challenges, and your nights exploring East London galleries, rooftop lounges, and global cuisine on every corner. Here, you don't just build cars, you build a lifestyle that matches the speed you operate at. How to dominate the luxury auto industry. Step 1. Speak the language of engineering. Master lean production systems, surface coatings, manufacturing precision, and process control. Understand the tech behind the gloss. Step 2. Turn your skills into proof. Don't explain what you can do. Demonstrate it with clarity. Create workflows, tear-down reports, or digital simulations. Let your solutions speak for you. Step 3. Show up where they hire. Join the Institution of Mechanical Engineers and Society of Automotive Engineers International. Attend Auto Shanghai or Monterey Car Week. Comment on posts from McLaren engineers with real insight, not fluff. Be visible, be valuable. Salary Insight, UK-based. Manufacturing engineers at McLaren typically earn between £45,000 and £60,000 a year. But that number doesn't capture what it means to sign off on the paint process of a 300K machine. What to watch and read. Watch. McLaren, building the perfect car. An inside look at the build process from blueprint to road read. Driven by Kevin Eason. How elite performance culture fuels innovation at the highest level. Choose your future. Most people will hear this and stay the same. Meanwhile, someone else is already refining their resume and connecting with insiders. They'll get in, not because they were lucky, because they moved while everyone else hesitated. McLaren isn't looking for average. They want precision, power, and process under pressure. Are you the one who builds it, or the one who just watches it pass by? Comment, no limits if you're done waiting and ready to take control. Until next time, stay inspired and dream big. Check the description for more on how to start your journey in the luxury automotive industry. And don't miss our next video because the next seat might have your name on it.